I love it. I love it. Honey, it is the newbies. And yeah, I used to rock the doobie. Alright, we at the tree, moving our feet to the beat. Getting the steal deals like Holyfield. Check these items out. It makes no sense. It makes no sense how good this smells at the tree. Oh my looky. So I heard you guys was looking for something to heal wounds possibly. Dollar Tree has these facial mists. One has hypochlorous. I have to look it up, honey, if I'm being real with you. Now, these facial mists are $1.25 at the tree. You gotta take a look at it. So Dollar Tree has these new facial mists, essentials. They have grape water. They also have hypochlorous. Now this is good for acne, soothing wounds. Really, really amazing. They also have micellar water hydrating facial mist. And this one, see, recovery facial mist. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, it's the tree for me. You looking to be flowy, flowy, glowy, glowy. Look at Dollar Tree. Honey, I'm just Dina the Fabulous MC in a place to be. Honey, check these new items out at the tree. So Dollar Tree has this new cleansing glow soap bar for all skin types. I am impressed. Now this says that this is for everyday use. It lathers well, it says, and it is going to soften your skin. Now if you guys are looking for body scrubs at Dollar Tree, Beauty Finds, this video is going to be filled with that. Listen, Dollar Tree has the Brazilian floral. This is a body scrub, $1.25 in a place to be. Now they also have the Brazilian orchid one as well at the tree. This is the exfoliate and sugar scrub, orchid and sandalwood. Now I don't know about you lovely folks, but I absolutely love this scent of sandalwood. It smells so divine and right on time. Love it. I'm walking on sunshine. No, listen, it is the Beauty Finds at the tree for me. Did you guys happen to see the Ione, these lip tints? Honey, they have things like sweet honey. They also have plum berry. Honey, I ain't say cherry, I said plum berry. Now, these are $1.25. They have excellent ingredients in here like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil. Yes, honey, I am here for it at the tree. Dollar Tree, that is. If you guys are looking for concealers at the tree, honey, Dollar Tree said we got you. You got to move your feet to the beat out in these streets. So this is the camouflage. I absolutely love Ione at Dollar Tree. Excellent. If you're looking for a beauty find that is inexpensive, you're not going to break the bank, that is good like Hollywood, honey, is definitely going to be the Ione collection. Now this one is the concealer, so if you're looking to conceal while you're doing your makeup, honey, come check the tree. Dollar Tree. Honey, I hope we ain't out here breaking a bank. I said, I hope we not out here breaking a bank, okay? So Dollar Tree has these lip colors from LA Colors. Absolutely amazing, to say the least. Now, what I absolutely love about this, it has the lip liner, and it also have the lipstick. Oh, child. When I tell you these are movie groovy, oh, they movie groovy for $1.25. So I heard you like to get jiggy with it in a bathtub, okay? Now, Dollar Tree has these movie groovy, and I must say, this is fancy pantsy, okay? Now, this is Sun-Kissed Citrus Bath Bombs. They have different scents. They also have the sweet lemon. If this smells anything like the body scrub, oh my goodness, honey, out of this world. Also have aqua blue. Ooh, chill, check out you. $1.25 from Amber Glow. Now, I love all fancy things at the tree, but honey, this one just took the cake for you and me. Look at this. If I'm lying, I'm flying. So Dollar Tree has the car seat pocket. I said, say, oh, what? Honey, movie to the groovy. Now, you get 2 pegs, effectively prevents your items from dropping into the gap of the seat, ensures your safety while driving. Oh, honey, this is good for you and me at the Dollar Tree. I heard you want to walk on sunshine with me, because we just moving and grooving. Check these hot items out at the tree. So Dollar Tree has these gorgeous, and I do mean gorgeous, decorative pillows. Honey, I definitely had to get my hands on the latte last week. Oh my goodness, movie groovy. Now, they have different ones. They have the pumpkin, the football, the latte. They also have the cow, the leaf, and then they also have some other decorative pillows at the bottom. Oh honey, it is giving the tea at the dollar a treat. You guys are looking for some treats at the tree. It is going to be these major finds. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the limited edition moisturizing hand sanitizer. They have things like the palm island, the sugar pistachio. They also have the checkerboard as well. Honey, this is giving all the tea at the tree. Coconut praline, scented, and then honey, you know what does it for me? Definitely the marble. Now, these over here, this is Blossom Dream scented. They also have this one, Mystic Tide scented. You remember Mystics back in the day? Honey, I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, we used to do Mystics and the vinaigrette pig feet. Oh my goodness, honey, that was a treat for a little one, for a little kid. Now, Dollar Tree also have the soft soap. This is the apple spice scented. Now, you're going to definitely have to move your feet to the beat for this one because, honey, these are limited editions at the tree. You have your children going off to college and you want to give them a going away present. Oh, Dollar Tree has this heat that you have to definitely move your feet to the beat. Check this out. So Dollar Tree have back to school gifting. Now they have so many different gift cards: Starbucks, DoorDash, Chipotle, Uber, Zillions, PlayStation, Domino's, Sephora, Subway. Honey, you name it, they definitely gonna bring it and claim it. Now you want to definitely move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Love this. So listen, you know what it is for me at the tree. Let me show you. Move your feet to the beat. 1, 2, 3. Let's get into it and do it. It is definitely these seriously spooky rugs, okay? These Halloween doormats, harvest blessings. Let me tell you something. You buy the doormat, honey. You don't be nobody's doormat. You get what I'm saying? Movie to the groovy. So you know Dollar Tree has their Halloween items out now, right? And for decor, what I absolutely love is when they put these out. These are amazing, to say the least. This is the Frankenstein sweet cherries. Honey, I'm in heaven. Sweet cherry scented. This is $1.50 at the tree. Oh, damn, gosh. You better move your feet to the beat. I love it. I love it. Honey, it is the newbies. And yeah, I used to rock the doobie. Alright, we at the tree, moving our feet to the beat. Getting the steal deals like Holyfield. Check these items out. Boy, do I have some fancies to show you. Check this out. This is good. So this one is the hand soap pumpkin sage scented. It is good. So far, my favorite is definitely the Frankenstein. Now, they also have the coconut lime scented. It's okay. I mean, the scent is not as strong as the Frankenstein. Now, they also have the pomegranate vanilla scented as well. Let's get this a go, Joe. Now, it's not as strong as the other one, as the Frankenstein. Oh, my looky cookie. Now, you looking for something that your little ones can do, boo? Oh, honey, how about the Nightmare Before Christmas, the glow in dark coloring pages, and also the stickers? Yes, honey. Now, you rocking with the best. These are $1.50 at the tree. But hold on, let me show you what's good for you and me. They also have Miss Tiana. Oh, child, get into it. The Disney princesses. Yes, honey, you rocking with the best. Now, these are $1.50 at the tree. Glow stickers plus glow in the dark coloring pages. Oh, that is good for you. All right, family, let me know in the comment section what was your favorite items that you've seen advertised. Mine's definitely was the glow bars, the soap bars that they had for glowing, and also the facial mist sprays. Those was a steal deal like Holyfield. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, hype, share the video, and until next time, peace.